rest of his bags, broken goods, played with jewels, common dirt. The look on his face tells a story of things that I can't explain. Wash away all my fears. Rain down, clean my past, dry my tears. True love. The Papa speaks up for a crumb of their life. Scowls and distakes, feel the face. Is there a love I've been told, or a hand I can hold in this place? Papa lies down to the life he chose. Tired and weary, lays to sleep. A man picks his pocket of a precious gold locket from another place. Wash away all my fears. Rain down, clean the past, dry my tears. Wash away all my tears. Rain down, leave the past, dry my tears. Love.
Damn, shout out to Scott Norris for that song right there. Cruel Love. Not bad, guys. Not bad at all. Just want to say hello, guys. It's a Friday. Kind of do a weekend review. Been a pretty crazy time in quarantine here in 2020. And congratulations, we made it to May 1st. So congratulations if you made it to May. And if you're alive, smash the like button, please. And when you enter in the room, you must smash. And I love the fact that without even asking, look at the smash to watch ratio. I'm good with that. We're on point on a Friday. Appreciate you guys being here with me on a Friday. Been a crazy week, guys. Absolutely crazy week. And stock market's kind of doing what I've been saying it's going to do. Oil's been going up all week. Gold's been consolidating and kind of coming back, kind of trying to come back up. Went up a little bit today, but isn't making the move yet that I think it will. But I believe it will see 1900 and new record-breaking highs. And I believe we'll see 2000 in 2020. So I think some interesting levels are coming for gold. And I think for oil, these lower levels that we've seen, we may see them get tested again, but I believe that these may be the lowest and best times for us to ever buy oil in years, potentially in my entire life. Have we never seen the opportunity to buy oil like this? What's with the CGC spike after market? I don't know. You tell me. You're telling me right now. That's the first I've even heard about it. Miguel says, hello, everyone. How you doing, Miguel? What's up, Usman? What's up, Curative Care? Garvid, how you doing? What's up, Dylan? How you doing, brother? Bill says, having sushi and smashing the like button. I appreciate you, man. JJ says, hi, the best. What's up, man? Sherry says, hey, Rich. How you doing, Sherry? Sharky says, I'm MIST today went explosive. Nice. Did you get in on MIST? Sharky Tor says CGC. Wow. Dylan Fraser says Constellation sold warrants. I send you the news, Rich. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, Dylan. Thank you, man. Thank you. Wow, it sure did, eh? Let's see. Let's pull her up. Man, it's getting windy. It was sunny. And now it's windy. And overcast. Let's pull up CGC and let's just see what you guys are talking about, shall we? CGC. Canopy growth. Oh, up 11% after market. That's pretty big. Yeah, not bad at all. Nice little move there for canopy growth. Thank you for sharing that information. That's big. Man, I thought it could be outside and it could be sunny, but oh, is it coming back out? The sun coming back out? It's weird, man. It's like everybody's at home, so the internet connection's not working. So when I go and sit down, the internet isn't working. So I gotta. Did I lose the razor? Oh, I'm not allowed to let it grow a little bit in a pandemic? Come on, you gotta give me some slack in a pandemic. It's a freaking pandemic. Cut me some slack, man. Got to be clean shaven in a pandemic. Just to make a video? Come on, man. Really? Come on, man. Guy's making me shave just to do a video. It's crazy. All right. Here we go. Just for you, I'll shave. How about that? You want me to do it live? Raid says, heard something about STZ getting a higher stake. Yeah, you know, cannabis has been beat up for quite some time, and we haven't really seen an extended real run in cannabis in a year. So at some point, you would think we're going to see some type of movement, some type of explosion at some point, but we haven't seen it in about a year. So it's been a very, very tough time for the cannabis sector. And I really don't know what to say about the cannabis sector. It's been a huge disappointment. There's so many disappointments. Zenibus, Saniva, Aurora, Hexo. The list of disappointments versus the list of success stories is a little bit unbalanced. Let's just put it that way. I'm going to try to be nice about it. But yeah, the cannabis sector has been absolutely decimated. And right now, I believe the opportunities in gold and in oil and in COVID-19 stocks. So those are the types of stocks that we're going to continue to focus on. I do believe that the big boards are the way to go too, but I'm a little bit concerned about where we're at. And I have a feeling that we're going to see a correction in the market between June and August. We haven't seen it yet. The market's actually been melting up ever since we had a meltdown in March. We're having a melt up in April, and let's see what May has to offer us. Jeff says sold DOCRF today 87.5%. 31.9 sold at 60. Thanks for the pick, my man. Sharing in the community. DOCRF. Hey, thank you for sharing, bro. Out MD. Yeah, that's one of our picks. It's true. Guys, if you have any picks you want me to look at, if there's anything you want to share, if there's anything you want to talk about, please let me know. I just kind of wanted to come live and do a kind of like a weekly review. And now that we're in May, kind of think about what's going to happen next week. But I still think that gold is a very safe play right now. It's a safe way to go. I think that oil at all-time lows has a lot of upside. So I think that oil is a great way to go. Oil companies, specifically, the best companies, which I gave you guys in my top 10, and I talked about some yesterday. I think oil is a great way to go. I think gold's a great way to go. And I think that COVID-19 companies, coronavirus vaccine companies, test kit companies are still a good way to go in the interim. So I do believe the big boards are a great way to go, but I believe that we're going to see correction in the market between, and it may not happen, and I hope it doesn't, but there may be a correction that happens in the market between June and August when we're going to see Q2 financials reported. And the interesting thing is we've already seen pretty strong Q1s. So the question is, what will we see in Q2? Raid Hyatt says, I think the crash coming end of this month. Yeah, it's very possible. You know, Q2 is here. So we're in the, in the beginning of Q2. We're done the first third of Q2 now. We're going into the second month of Q2. So we're still in a coronavirus pandemic. We haven't gotten through it yet. So how will this affect all the businesses? You would assume that there's going to be a huge effect, and especially on travel companies, airlines, hotels, anything to do with travel is really going to be affected. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens here. Cruise lines, obviously, have been greatly affected. Frankie says, Rich, you excited about Aurora Scamabis earnings on May 14th? Aurora hasn't had anything to get me excited about for a very long time. So all I can say is I have no idea what to expect from Aurora. All I can say is expect the unexpected with them. I'm a shareholder. They lied to us about the Coca-Cola deal. They lied to us about being profitable. They've had every excuse in the book. I have no idea what they're doing. And I'm not that impressed. But I'd love for them to prove me wrong as a shareholder, but I've been so disappointed with the cannabis sector. Zenabis, Aurora, Hexo, just been nightmares. Suniva, the list goes on and on and on. Can't trust, obviously. So there's so many just disappointments, to be quite honest with you. Too many disappointments. Sharky Tor says Q2 reports would be worse. Yeah, I'm assuming Q2 is going to be much worse. Jeff says, I am not clean shaven either. It's a freaking pandemic, man. If there's ever a time to have a little bit of growth, it's in a pandemic. Maybe instead of shaving twice a week, maybe I'm shaving once a week, but I will shave. Don't worry, I promise you. Frankie says, I agree. I am a shareholder as well. Sucks, man. Yeah, it does suck. When's the split for ACB? I'm sure some of you guys probably know exactly when that split is. I haven't been watching it closely enough to know when exactly the split is. But if I find out, I'll let you guys know. Jeff said, no shaving live. You don't want me to take it off live? Hey, what's up, Peter? Peter says, smash the like button. Aurora, they pissed me off, and I'm also a shareholder. Bastard liars. Yo, shout out to you, Peter, man. Peter has been killing it in the Trading Academy, man. I'm so proud of you, bro, to come in like you did, man, and do what you're doing. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's all I can say. I got nothing else to say. Mr. B. Will says, feel bad about the share consolidation for existing shareholders sucks. Yeah. Yeah. When they do a reverse, that really sucks. And it sucks for all of us because the question is, after they do the reverse, are they just going to just issue shares out again? That's what I'm concerned about. Why are they doing reverse? So they can just issue more shares and they can dilute it again? Go for round two? It's very scary. Jeff Nowak says, cannabis buying opportunities for the long future. Yeah, but we got to choose the right companies. We need to choose the right companies. You know, in Canada, I really like Afria. I like Labs. I like Valence. I like Organigram. Those are really the four ones I like the most right now. The closest to real profitability. And I like Delta 9 as a sleeper for profitability as well, coming, out of the darkness. I think they're going to do well. In the US, Trulieve for sure. I think Halo Labs as just a company that's doing the right things, but, really cheap that one day could turn into something big. I think Halo Labs has a lot of potential, but, it's penny stock. It's risky. I love GW Pharma. Absolutely love them. I love IIPR, but they might come lower because they're really, really high. I like Scott's Miracle-Gro. I like Cureleaf. I like C-Web. I like Planet 13. There's quite a lot of companies I like in the US too, to be honest with you. Quite a lot of companies. Vu Dang, hey, what's up, Vu Dang? Thank you for being a member on YouTube. I appreciate you, brother. Says May 11th, I think. Raid says May 5th, I think. So in the next week to 2 weeks, they're going to be reversed. Frankie says May 11th. So the company sandbags shareholders again by releasing quarter a few days later on the 14th. Yeah. I just don't know if these guys have a clue what they're doing anymore. Miguel says, do you think the effects of Q2 earnings might be softened by the optimism of being open again? Yes. Yeah. And the fact that we've had a huge run up is also going to cushion the blow. And Trump has talked about this, cushioning the blow, having the market be at all-time highs, cushion the blow of the pandemic. And now the market coming back because of the stimulus money is cushioning the blow of a potential horrific Q2 earning reports, specifically for companies that have been shut down due to the coronavirus pandemic. It's a major, major concern. So how is that fundamentally going to affect the markets? The markets may continue to pump up like they have because of stimulus money, but we also have to prepare for the worst just in case. And I hope, and I make sure everybody understands this, I hope it doesn't happen. But I am 60% cash in case it does. Vu Dang says they're going to get short. Yeah, especially the travel companies, the cruise liners, hotels, they're all shut down, guys. What kind of revenue are they going to generate? It's going to be horrific. Raid says May 11th. That's right. Dylan Fraser says Forefront Ventures up 35% today. Put on watch list. Hey, thank you, Dylan, for sharing. Dixie Norma says still waiting on cannabis stocks to start making more money than I can spend in a week. We've seen cannabis stocks explode in the past, and we'll see them explode again. It's just over the last year, it's been an eye-opener. I was warned by a lot of people. I didn't believe it. I didn't want to believe it. And what they told me was exactly what happened. It was going to crash. And it crashed. And it was very humbling for a lot of us. So we've had to, over the last 6 months, really diversify and change strategies and change course, get into big boards, buying gold, coronavirus stocks, and positioning ourselves in the best. And the results have been phenomenal. And I joined the Trading Academy, and we have members that are winning. We have members that are making a lot of money. We have members that are learning, and we have members that are getting better every day. I'm generating a good income from the Trading Academy right now from building the Trading Academy. not even from trading yet. I haven't really even started to fully focus on trading yet in the academy. Been more focused on teaching all of our new people how to trade. So it's taken away my ability to trade. But I don't mind because I love watching the members develop. And I'm spending all day, every day, just teaching people how to trade, teaching people how to look at charts, teaching people how to mark up charts, teaching people how to look at the low of the day, how to look at the high of the day, teaching people how to read RSI, Relative Strength Index, teaching people how to look at the MACD, teaching people how to look at Forex and two different currencies and how they are like having a tug of war with each other. It's fascinating. And looking at the stocks and looking at the stock market, looking at gold and looking at oil, looking at the US 30, the Dow Jones. It's like I'm in the Matrix, man. How about the Elon tweet storm? I heard a little bit about the Elon tweet storm, but I actually haven't even read the tweet. Should we read the tweet? Let's go. Let's read it. Thank you for bringing that up. Elon Musk. Did he seriously say his own stock price is too high? Tesla's shares tank after Elon Musk tweets the stock price is too high. Oh my goodness. Is this guy for real? Is he shorting his own stock? Shares of Tesla dropped Friday after CEO Elon Musk tweeted that the company's shares are priced too high. Musk also said he was selling almost all physical possessions and to give back their freedom, presumably referring to shelter-in-place orders. Wow. What is going on with Elon? Shares of Tesla dropped as much as 12% Friday before closing down 10.3% after CEO Elon Musk tweeted that the company's shares are priced too high. Tesla's stock price is too high, in my opinion. Wow. I do follow him, so I'm just going to like this tweet on Twitter. Oh my goodness. I love Elon, man. Honestly, now I love him even more. This guy's just a beast. Like, I'm such a fanboy of Elon Musk, man. This is ridiculous. Crazy. This is nuts. Only Elon. I mean, who else does this? Who else does this? And he tweets that the stock should go down, and then the stock goes down. That's unbelievable. It's pretty unbelievable. I don't even know what to say about that. That's kind of shocking. But thank you for bringing that up, MC. I'm kind of shocked. I'm kind of at a loss for words why he would do that. But you gotta love Elon Musk, man. He speaks the truth. So, I'm not telling anybody to buy at these levels because, all Elon has to do is tell people it's too high and the price goes down. And all Andrew Left has to do is talk about why it shouldn't be priced so high and the price will go down. So I like Tesla too, but, if you guys get into this thing cheap and it runs up, take your profit and run, man. Dylan Fraser says CNBC said good time to buy cannabis with the STC news. I hope so, man. I'm already in cannabis. I'm not buying any more cannabis right now, but I'm already in cannabis. So I hope it goes up so we can see a return on our investment. Peter says the Dow has been bullish on false hopes. It will become bearish soon and good will cherish again, as will Forex trading. Good place to be now. Yeah, and that's why I've been telling everybody to get into cash. And that's why I'm doing the Forex, because I want to be able to make money up and down in any market. And I am preparing for the Dow crashing. It might not happen because of stimulus. There's a chance that they may continue to pump it up. But when you see Q2 financials that are horrific, specifically for airline companies, cruise line companies, hotels, anybody in travel, it's going to be very interesting to see what the numbers look like and how that will affect the market. I'm assuming that we're going to see a correction between June and August. I hope we don't see it, but I think we will. That's why I'm 60% cash. Steven says, hey, Rich, do you watch DM? No, I didn't watch it, but I heard they were up like 10%. So not bad. Dylan says, oh, Elon, epic CEO. Who does that? CEO tweets share price too high. LOL, awesome. Right? Like, that is epic. Only Elon does that. And that's why I'm a fanboy. I love it. Because he's got people talking about him and Tesla. He doesn't even care about the price. And you know what? Because he's doing what he's doing, the price is going to go over 1,000 and probably go to 2,000, 3,000, even higher. Because he's epic. This is why the price keeps going higher, because he's always in the news. He doesn't even have to spend, he doesn't even need to spend money on advertising. He's always in the news. He's become like Trump. Scott says, let's go Canopy. The whole sector will be up next week. It's a good start for a bull run. Yeah, I mean, we need something. So let's see. How low will it go? I don't know. Dylan says, could it reach 200? I don't think it'll go to 200. Dylan says 300, 400. Well, the last time it dropped, it went to 350. I don't think it goes to 300 just on his tweet. If anything, I think more people buy it on this tweet. I think this is reverse psychology. He's a genius. He's a really true genius. Sharky Torres says, I should have kept 300s, but sold. Hey, man, nothing wrong with taking profit, bro. Vixie Norman says, Elon is a legend. He has billions to lose and still not think twice about saying it all over again. I'm told you, man, I got nothing to say about Elon, but mad respect, man. My dream one day is to have Elon on our show. I'm a massive fanboy. Massive, massive, massive fanboy. MC says, quoted a few lines of the Star Spangled Banner as well. LOL. Yeah, classic. Sharky Torres says, everyone should be a fan. Yeah. Peter says, Musk should spend $5 more and smoke the better stuff. Oh, my God. Jonathan says, it should have been poor TV. You're poor. That's a very interesting message, Jonathan. Are you having a bad day? Are you having a bad day, Jonathan? Hey, man. For a guy who's poor, I'm doing pretty good then. Because, man, for a poor guy, I sure have a hell of a lot of free time. Dylan Fraser says, yeah, has anyone ever heard of CEO doing this before, saying too high? Maybe he was too high when tweeted Elon getting his shit from Joe Rogan. I don't know what he was thinking, but I love it. I absolutely love it. I think it's legendary. It's legendary status. It's what legends are made of. And this is classic Elon Musk. I mean, he just does the unexpected. And here we are on a Friday after market talking about Elon Musk. You know what I mean? He knows that fundamentally he's overpriced. But you know what? People love Tesla. So that's why the price is going to continue to go high. It's like the 2020 stock of the decade. You know, it's been a huge story, just like Shopify, just like Amazon, just like Netflix, just like Facebook. These are all 2020 stories of huge companies in 2020 that have been massive success stories. And Tesla's another one. And he's just always in the news. And he knows how to stay in the news. And that's worth billions of dollars in media and marketing that he doesn't have to spend. So if he has to take a 10% hit to get in the news, he doesn't really care because he knows that long term, he's going to get so many more investors. That's how confident he is in what he's doing. And that's why I have so much respect for Elon Musk. Peter says, Bex, MEK, and gold. I own 10,000 shares of Bex. I own 20,000 shares of MEC, and another one that I just bought, LBC. I own another 20,000 shares of LBC, and that's another mining play. And they just raised $3 million. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Something's percolating. Something's percolating. But remember, if I'm going to bring you a stock before it explodes, I got to bring it to you before it explodes. So when NIA, National Inflation Association, brings me BEX, MEC, and LBC, I'm buying those thinking that something's coming. Not that I'm going to talk to you about it and it's going to explode the day I talk about it. That's not the way it works. It's not my pick. I'm just telling you what NIA is talking about. These are NIA's picks. And I have a feeling in my gut, in my core, that something's going to happen. But I don't know what. I'm just happy that I'm in the driver's seat in all three. And we'll see what happens. One's at 6 cents. One's at 9.5 cents. One's at 11 cents. Let's see what happens. But yes, Peter, gold, brother, gold. I do believe that gold will consolidate back a little bit, especially if the market crashes. So I do believe that we will have an opportunity to get a better entry in gold. However, I do believe that there's some massive upside in gold as well. And I believe we will see 1900, 1950, 2000 in 2020. So stay tuned, because even in our trading academy, we can ride gold. And I have friends and I have members that are trading gold every day and are doing extremely well riding these waves. We also have members riding oil, and we have members trading Forex. We have members that obviously are trading stocks. We trade stocks here, and we can trade stocks in our trading academy as well. So if you were trading stocks today in our trading academy, you could have shorted Tesla. I mean, this is the type of move that we can make in the Trading Academy as well. We can trade Tesla in the Trading Academy on MetaTrader 4, and we could have shorted them, taking advantage of the move today. Dixie Norma says, makes me want to drop a few Ks in Tesla just for the fun of it. Exactly. This is what I'm trying to say. MC says, Elon is the real-life Tony Stark. Yes. Yes, MC. Nick says, Rich TV. Sup, brother? Sup? Curative Care says, anybody in on TDT, TTD, or CBDT? Black Stealth says, what if he's getting ready for SpaceX stock? Shares at $220. Wow. That's epic. I'm just excited to be here to talk about it. I'm just excited to be here to watch him evolve and just to talk about it. I'm a huge fan. Massive fan. I'm just a massive fan of anybody who can create. Anybody who creates their own environment, anyone who creates their own world, anybody who creates success out of thin air, I have respect for that. As an entrepreneur, I respect entrepreneurial spirit a lot. More than anything, to be quite frank, because I am an entrepreneur, and I have been since I was 21, and I've been running my own business since I was 21, and I've been my own boss since I was 21, and I wake up whenever I feel like it, and I do whatever the hell I want. And that's just the way I like to live, and I think that's the way that everybody should try to live. But that's just me. I don't like to be in a box. I don't like to be an employee. I don't like to go to work and have a boss tell me, do this and do that. So, maybe I can make more money if I had a boss or went to a job, but I'd rather have the freedom. And because I have that freedom, it gives me opportunities to look at opportunities as they come and as they're presented to me in my life. And a lot of times I've taken advantage of those opportunities and I've ridden those waves and have created a lot of success. Join this training academy. This is a new wave. And it's nice, this week to get a payment of 400 US in Bitcoin. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's nice that I've created that residual for myself after 5 months of being in the academy, because I have so much free time, because I don't have a boss, because I am financially free, because I am self-employed, because I have been self-employed since I was 21 years old, and I don't know anything else. So I might as well be a part of a trading academy where I can just trade and make money from my phone from my laptop and teach people how to trade and make money from their phones, from their laptops, and teach them how to make more money than they can make at a job. It's just like an epiphany. It's like we had an epiphany, you know? So yeah, things are going to change around Rich TV Live here, guys. You're going to see things are going to change very, very drastically. Things are going to change very quickly because as we rank up in this company and as I create more and more wealth for myself and I have more resources, I'm going to be able to have a higher level of production. We're going to have to eventually have a better show. We're going to have a better studio. We're going to have a set. We're going to have an editing team. We're going to have a camera crew. We're going to have someone creating thumbnails. We're going to have, you know, things are going to evolve. Let's just put it that way. Things will evolve. And as we get out of quarantine and I can get out of the house and I can go and do something outside of my home, then things will also evolve and things will grow. And you're going to see that I'll be on a stage in front of thousands of people talking about this trading academy. So hopefully you guys can join and be a part of it because this is a wave. And over the next 5-10 years, I think everybody's going to be buying and selling stocks. I do. I think everyone's going to be buying, selling stocks, Forex, gold, oil, Bitcoin, everything from their phone. I think that's the future. I think more and more people are realizing that, you know what I mean? Like something can happen like this at any point in time and you lose your job, you lose your business, you lose everything. So the only way to really be in control of your own destiny is to truly be in control of your own destiny, where you have nobody in control of your income. That's what we do here at the Trading Academy. We control our own destiny. I control my own destiny. If I go and teach 10 new people about the Trading Academy, I can earn more income. If I go out there and I master the trading and I make money trading, I can earn a very massive income just by trading. So I don't have to leave my home. I can literally sit here and trade and make money 6 days a week from anywhere in the world. I can travel, turn on my computer, make money from my phone and my computer from anywhere in the world 6 days a week. If I don't want to work 1 day a week, if I want to work 2 days a week, if I don't want to work, I don't have to. If I want to work 6 days a week, I can work 6 days a week. I can work as much or as little as I want. As an entrepreneur, that is more important to me than anything. It's the freedom. It's all about the freedom, guys. That's what's important to me. That's what I care about. I don't care about the money. The money buys me freedom. That's it. When you focus on money in life, it becomes that thing that you chase forever. If you focus on the process of what's going to get you wealth, you will create wealth when you focus on the process. But when you focus on money and that becomes an obsession, then you don't create money. You don't create wealth. You only create wealth when you focus on the process of what will get you wealth. When you focus on the process. Too many people, unfortunately, they focus on the money and they never ever have any. And they always wonder why it always slips through their fingers because they're not focusing on the process. What is the process of creating the wealth? If I'm at a job and I get a promotion, I'm going to make more money. What do I have to do to get that next promotion? What is the process? If I focus on the process, I'll make more money. If I focus on making more money and getting a promotion and not what it takes between this level and that level to get a promotion, I'm not going to get a promotion. I'm not going to make more money because it's just going to look like a carrot. But if I focus on the process, what is it I got to do to go from this level in the company to this level? I can create the results I want, thus generate the revenue that I want. It's all about the process. Byron, you're saying blah, blah. Why are you hating, man? Are you okay? Do you have any friends? Are you by yourself on a Friday? Are you lonely? You're saying blah, blah, so you're trying to disrespect me. Why are you here? Byron, why are you here? I feel sorry for you. You're a sad soul. Very sad soul. Very sad soul. But hopefully, I can shine some light on your darkness, Byron. Hopefully, I can shine some light on your darkness. Because it's a Friday, and I'm ready to have a fantastic Friday. I'm ready to have a fantastic weekend. I'm ready to have fun. I'm ready to do whatever it takes to just enjoy myself and enjoy every single minute of every single day and live every single minute of every single day like it's my last. But it's funny when you have people that go into a YouTube room and try to disrespect other people when they hide behind a computer. That to me is the ultimate in sadness. So I'm sad for you, Byron. Hopefully one day you'll be okay. I'll pray for you and your darkness. And hopefully one day you'll come out of the darkness and you'll see the light, my friend. Because if you know me, you will know that the last thing that I do is have time to hate. I don't got time to hate, man. When you're trying to create success, when you're on a mission in life, when you have goals that you're attacking, you don't got time to hate, man. You're just too busy growing, and you're too busy building, and you're too busy developing, and you're too busy teaching, and you're too busy training, and you're too busy motivating to actually focus on hating anybody else. So good luck with you. That's all I can say. Because I have no hate for anybody. So it's just sad that you have so much yourself. Curative Care says 6 days a week. What's open on Saturday? No, we trade from Sunday to Friday. The market's open on Saturday. The market's closed on Saturday for us in the academy. Yeah, Tesla was down 10%. Dylan says someone bought 3.3 million worth of calls in Tesla strike 1,500 due January 2022. Wow, can you imagine? Dixie Norma says any free buying and selling sites out there you would recommend? Buying and selling sites? No. Only here, Rich TV Live. That's the only place I would recommend. We're live and we're interactive. I can't tell you. You could go to richtvlive.com. I definitely recommend that site, but I can't recommend any other sites. Sharky Tor says, when the Shoeshine Boys talk stocks, it was a great sell signal in 1929. So what are the Shoeshine Boys talking about now? Fortune magazine by John Rothschild. Are they alive? Are they alive? Creative Care says Forex. Yes, Forex. Dixie Norma says, you got that right, Rich. People think they will get rich in a month after investing. This is a 1 to 5 year plan. Yeah, I think that trading is a lifetime thing. For me, trading is a lifetime thing. I want to continue to become a good trader because I will be trading until the last breath I have. I will trade until the day I die. So I have lots of time to become a great trader. That's the way I look at it. And I feel like I'm becoming better every day, and I will continue to. And I would love to work with you guys to help you guys become better and help you continue to become financially free. And not just financially free, but free up here mentally. Mentally free, emotionally free, spiritually free, financially free, all of it. I want to help you get it all. And I'm working on getting it all myself. I am. And I want it. And I believe it's possible. I think this life is a beautiful thing, and everything in life is possible if you attack your goals. Everything in life is possible because I've already achieved more success in my life than I ever imagined already, honestly, and done everything I ever wanted to do. Now I'm just setting new goals, setting new targets for myself. Michael says, thanks, Rich. Much appreciate. Keep doing what you're doing. Hey, man, appreciate you, Michael. Thank you, man. I believe that we're evolving, and that sometimes is going to hurt our channel. I don't care. You know, as I evolve, this is my story. Rich TV Live is Rich TV Live. What you see is what you get. We're going to evolve, and we're going to have ups. We're going to have downs, and I'm going to share my ups and downs with you guys along the way. Right now, I'm on a huge wave up, and it feels great. I feel like blessed right now. I'm on a massive wave up, massive, and it feels absolutely phenomenal. So there's really nothing anybody can do to kind of penetrate this right now. We're in a good place. And people who know me and who talk to me know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you're not in a good place, join our academy. We'll help you get in a good place. Because it's not just me. I have a whole squad. And it's not just my squad. Our squad has squads that have squads. And we're part of an academy that's, in 120 countries worldwide, 150,000 members, and growing every single day. And it's just nice to be a part of a wave. And guys, all I can tell you in life is all we have is a certain amount of time. In that time, you want to catch a couple waves. And everyone I know that's made a lot of success happen for themselves caught a wave. Elon caught a wave. Electric cars caught a wave. PayPal caught a wave. Catch a wave, guys. Right? Catch a wave. If I can help you guys catch a wave and we can catch a wave together and we can ride a tidal wave, maybe we can make a few $1 million, right? Maybe it can change our life. Kareem Khan says, King Rich has been winning for 20 years straight. Man speaks the truth. Yo, respect, Kareem. Thank you, man. Respect. Frank says, heard Musk tweeted Tesla's evaluation is too high. That's pretty honest. I'm a fanboy of Elon, man. Mad respect to Elon, man. Fanboy. Stamped. Fanboy. Stamp my forehead with fanboy, man. I'm a fanboy of Elon, man. That guy's awesome. Evangelo says, been watching this man. He's real still. I'm just an average guy, man. I got my kids next room. I'm an average guy. If you cut me, I bleed. But I'm an average guy trying to do above average things. Have I accomplished everything I want to accomplish in my life so far? I've accomplished everything I thought I would accomplish. But once you accomplish everything you think you accomplish, you need to set new goals. You need to set new standards. So that's what I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to set new goals and new standards of what's possible for myself. In my trading academy, there are members that are making, in the academy, not on my team, in the academy, there are members making $500,000 a month, US. I want that. I'm setting that goal. I'm saying it publicly right now. I want to get to the point where our community here on YouTube, all over the world, joins the Trading Academy. We're 30,000 members deep. And at that point, I will be generating in income 500,000 US a month. I'm putting it in the universe. I want the universe to listen that I'm putting it out there. Right now, I'm a Platinum 1000, which means I have over 30 people. Actually, I have 52 now and growing every day. And as a Platinum 1000, I make 1,000 US a month residual. If I can go from a Platinum 1000 to a Chairman 500 one day, even if I give myself 6 years, I'll give myself 6 years. 6 years to train 30,000 students worldwide. If in 6 years we got 30,000 students worldwide and I'm making, at 48 years old, if I'm making 500,000 a month, guys, then at that point, I will say that I've honestly done everything I ever dreamed of, even times like 10. But still got a lot of work to do. It's good that I got that goal. I got that target. I know exactly what my goals are and I can chase them and I can attack them. The crazy thing is actually believing it's possible. Like the crazy thing is actually believing and knowing it's actually possible. That's the crazy thing, right? People making $500K a month in this business that are 24 years old. There are 19-year-old girls in the Trading Academy that I'm working in right now that are making 10,000 US a month. 19-year-old young women making 10,000 US residual a month. I just feel blessed, man, to be a part of it. Let me read some of you guys' messages. Milo EODC says, negative people have a problem for every solution. Stay positive, brother. Brother, I eat negatives for breakfast, man. Just positivity flows through my brains, man. And they flow through my veins. Like I'm just not built like that. I'm not built like the negative guys. I'm not built like Andrew Left. I'm not built like that. I'm not built to destroy and conquer. That's not how I'm built. I'm built to develop, motivate, and conquer. I'm not built to destroy and conquer. I'm built to work, inspire, develop, as a unit and conquer. And that's why guys that hate don't like me, because they realize that I'm for the light, I'm for the people, and that bothers them. Why does that bother them? What's your issue? Don't watch. Go somewhere else where there's hate. Go somewhere else where there's people that are fake. I'm just me. I'm just here. What you see is what you get. You've been seeing it for 3 years. It's the same guy. You see the same guy evolving, going through ups, going through downs, making mistakes, winning, losing. That's life, man. People say to me all the time, Rich, why do you show losses? That's life. That's life. You think I haven't lost? I've lost. I've won in life. I've made a lot of money. I've made millions, guys. I've also lost. I've also lost millions. I've also lost in life. I've seen success on a personal level. I've been married, kids, everything. I've been divorced. I've seen failure. So I've seen it. I've seen highs, I've seen lows. I'm just an average guy that's seen the highs and seen the lows. And I'd much rather be in the highs, so I'm willing to work my ass off to get there and stay there. And hopefully stay there for generations and be able to work with you guys and help you get there. That's what motivates me. I know that's weird for some people. I know some people think that I must be lying. Some people think, oh yeah, this guy must think he's a messiah or something. No, man, just an average guy trying to do above average things. That's it. And I think there's a lot of people like me out there that are just average guys trying to do above average things. A lot of women out there that are just average people trying to do above average things. I'm not the only one. There's many. That's why this world is such a great place. You can get out of this whatever you want. The question is, what do you want and what are you willing to do to get it? That's what it comes down to. Brent says, how do you feel about XRP Ripple? Very hesitant and done some research, but would like to hear about it from someone I follow. I am not vested in any crypto. Personally, I think that Bitcoin is the #1 cryptocurrency. I get paid in Bitcoin in the Trading Academy, okay? And I love Bitcoin, and I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, and I have been. And if you've been watching me, you know I've been talking about Bitcoin ever since it's dropped, and I've been telling everybody how bullish I am about Bitcoin. Now, in saying that, I'm not as bullish on all the other coins. The only other coin I am bullish on is Ripple, because it is getting backed by the Federal Reserve Bank. So for me, the only 2 cryptocurrencies that I really truly like long-term are Bitcoin and Ripple. That's the truth. But Bitcoin more than Ripple. I love Bitcoin because it is the mothership. It's the crypto that all the other cryptocurrencies are measured by, and it's more than 50% of the cryptocurrency market. So that should tell you that Bitcoin is really the only coin that matters. All the other coins are just fakes as far as I'm concerned. They're all just, most of them will fail, in my opinion. Evangelo says, what's your top pharmaceutical pick to find this corona? I'd say Gilead Sciences, GILD, Moderna, mRNA, and then I would have to say a third would be Inovio. But I would put Gilead in #1, mRNA #2, and I would have to say Inovio #3. Black Stealth says, you're the only one that takes out to the beach. Bro, you're the best. Smash the like. Hey, man, respect, brother. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. It means a lot, guys. And thank you guys for smashing the like. We got an 80% like ratio here. I love that. Black Stealth says, he's the best for the people. I appreciate you, man. That means a lot. Thank you, man. Thank you. Francine says, hi, Rich. Are you thinking there will be a correction in the market? And also wondering what you think about oil. Yes, I do believe there will be a correction in the market. I believe there will be a correction between June and August because that's when companies are reporting Q2 financials. I believe Q2 financials will be horrific for many companies, specifically companies that are affected by the coronavirus. Travel stocks, airline companies, cruise lines, hotels are going to be dramatically affected. And I think that their revenues are going to be horrific. So I think we need to be prepared for that, prepared for the worst. That's why I'm trying to get into cash, and I'm trying to prepare everyone to get into cash, right? Oil, very bullish on oil, guys. Oil is the lowest it's been in history. We've never seen oil stay under 20 bucks. and I don't believe we're going to see it stay under $20 for long. We may see it bounce up and down below 20 for the next couple months, but eventually oil will have to go higher because oil needs to be at $50 to $60 per barrel in order for oil to even be profitable. And if we don't get to $50 to $60 a barrel, a lot of the biggest oil companies and the smallest and the medium-sized ones are going to go bankrupt. And I just don't see that happening. Sharky Tor says, wow, 500K, huh? I might join. Yeah, well, obviously that's not everybody. That's the best guys in the company. But there's a guy named Bryce Thompson who I believe in 3 years at 24 years old became a chairman 500 just in the last week. And he's 24 years old, has 30,000 people on his team, and he's making 500,000 a month. That's $6 million a year residual. I don't know any other companies in the world that can say that they have 24-year-olds making $6 million a year residual. And he's not the only one. There's multiple $500,000 a month earners in this company. There's multiple $250,000 a month earners, $100,000 a month earners, $50,000 a month earners, $25,000 a month earners, $10,000 a month earners, and I'm a $1,000 a month earner, and I've only been doing it for 5 months. So sky's the limit, guys. I'll see you guys on the moon. Frank says, it's an average guy trying to do above average things. That's humble, Rich. Big props for that. It's true. I am an average guy. I've been knocked down in life many times, and that consistently reminds me that I'm average. It consistently reminds me that I'm just an average person, and I have down days and I have up days. Trust me. And, I still try to always come out on top. And the way you come out on top is by having a PMA, positive mental attitude. If you learn how to have a PMA, positive mental attitude, and always wake up thinking positive things every day, regardless of your solution and regardless of your problem and regardless of your situation, you will be positive. You will have phenomenal results in your life, and you will attract unbelievable positivity towards you. It's the law of attraction. I watch The Secret as much as possible. I watch it at least once a month, and I watch it over and over and over again. And it's funny because Bob Proctor, the founder of The Secret, is a part of this academy. How crazy is that? I was watching The Secret before I even joined the academy. Once I heard that Bob Proctor joined the academy and became one of our mentors, I was like, oh my goodness. I've been watching this guy for years. It's like it was meant to be. And now he's part of the academy. So it's crazy because I watch The Secret all the time. And to think that I'm in the same academy that he's a part of, it just validates everything that I'm doing. So yeah, I feel very blessed to be in the situation that I'm in. And the reason why I was able to take advantage of this situation is because I'm self-employed. I have a lot of free time. I make my own hours. I am my own boss. And I was looking for another way to generate income from home. And when the pandemic happened, perfect time for me to really focus on it because everything slowed down, including my own business. So as my business slowed down, I focused more on the academy, and the results have been phenomenal for me. I'm developing as a trader, and I'm becoming better. And you guys will see. I'm going to do more videos. I'm going to show you guys what I'm learning. So as you guys see the evolution, hopefully you guys appreciate it. Hopefully you want to evolve yourself, and some of you can join the academy, and we can really train together, trade together, grow together, and win together. Because some of you are going to be really good at it and you have no idea. Like, I guarantee you Peter didn't expect to be doing what he's doing in it right now. But Peter came in a week and he's absolutely killing it. He's killing it. So, it's nice watching people, making thousands of dollars a day. It's nice, especially when you introduce them to the academy and they start making thousands of dollars a day. It's like, whoa, this is cool. I'm in the right place, MC says, have you heard AYTU is being suppressed on social media? No. Virgo King says, bro, Canada banned assault weapons. Jeez. I think that's probably a good thing. Why would people need assault weapons? Virgo King says, I positively thought about weed, and the next day, an ounce of sativa bud showed up at my place. See? It's the law of attraction. What you focus on expands, guys. Okay, the secret, before I say goodbye for the weekend, because we've been live for an hour, and thank you guys for the 44 likes out of 46 people. Absolutely love you guys. You guys are the best. The secret, the laws of attraction, okay? What you focus on expands. If you focus on debt, and you focus on bills, and you focus on problems, you're going to get more debt, you're going to get more bills, and you're going to get more problems. If you focus on abundance and you focus on developing yourself and making yourself better, if you focus on the process, if you focus on what you want, if you set goals and you write them down, and every day you wake up and you read your goals, and every day before you go to sleep, you read your goals and you attack them, you will create success. It's the law of attraction. And then people will see that from you. They'll feel it and they'll come to you. You will be like a living magnet. But if you're filled with negativity, if you're filled with self-doubt, if you're filled with debt, and if you're filled with bills, and if that is in your focus all the time in your mind, people are going to feel that energy off of you. And when they feel that energy off of you, they're going to be repelled by you. It's a fact. It's a law of attraction. So hopefully that helps you guys. I want you guys to have a fantastic weekend. Thank you for being here. If you guys would like to join the Trading Academy, just send me an email. I'll send you over some information so you can learn more. And I can even get you guys in some training classes. And you guys, I'm going to do more training classes this week with our team trading live, just to show you guys how we trade and how we train people and what our members are learning and what our members are developing and the skills that they're developing. Hey, thank you, Virgo King, for the donation. I appreciate you, bro. I really appreciate you. Have yourself a great weekend. And other than that, guys, I just want to wish everyone a great weekend. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Always stay positive. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Keep your social distancing. Spend time with your loved ones. Spend time with your friends. Spend time with your family. Tell everyone how much you love them, that you do love, and enjoy every moment like it's your last, because tomorrow is never guaranteed. Okay, guys? Thank you guys for watching. This is your boy, Rich from Rich TV Live. Remember to invest in the best. The best is blessed. Tomorrow, I'm going to be doing an interview with Antoine, who's a beast trader in our academy, and he turned $100 into 17 grand in the last 2 months. So stay tuned to that. I'm interviewing him tomorrow live on YouTube, Rich TV Live, 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern. Sunday, I'm going to be doing an interview with Peter, who's one of our members who's been in the academy 1 week. And in his first full week trading, he is creating phenomenal results. Like, I've never seen anything like it in my life. So we're going to interview Peter, and I'm very excited to interview Peter. And I'm even excited about trading with Peter myself because he's doing that good. So stay tuned. Saturday, Sunday, we already got days booked, things going on, super, super busy. I got my kids here. We got friends here. We're going to barbecue. We're going to have some fun. If I see anything, breaking news or anything to talk about, I'll come live. But other than that, probably not. Probably going to just be chilling, having a great Friday. Have a great Friday, everybody. Enjoy your weekend. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy, Rich from Rich TV Live. And I'm out. You know I don't go like that, right? We go out with some tunes. We're going to go out with some tunes. Okay. Let's go with some tunes. What should we hear? I like this. This is from Ill Cave. Did I say Ill Cave? Ill Kid, I'm on a wave up. Join me. Join the revolution, the Rich TV Live revolution, where you too can get freedom too, and you too can join the wave. Let's go, champs. Epic. It's epic.
I'm on the way. 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 Yo. Oh, yeah. I'm on the way. Need to get out of the way. You barely survive, but you gotta watch you die right off of the stage.
Love to trade with you, Jose. Love to trade with you, brother. Whenever you're ready, man, I'll be here. I can't trade everybody all at the same time anyway. So whenever you guys are ready, I'm ready.
she go in the kitchen, she make me a cake. Goddamn, I'm the illest here. Life flat, I'm a killer shit. Hit the track for a souvenir. Heard the friends on the rear. Got the ball, it's crystal clear. Big shot, make it disappear. Big shot, make it disappear. I'm on the way. 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 Yo.
Way back.
Patty cake, it's a patty cake. Beat it up, it's a daddy date. Seeing twins like Mary Kate. Knock it out, I'm a heavyweight. Electrifying, testifying, mesmerizing, never lying. Beat the pussy up, paralyze it. Hot shit like a desert island. Whoa. I'm in the air like an Air Force. I'm on the way like a surfboard. I don't bust my territory. Who got next? We can bed for it. It's a new, you a new school. Cry me a river like boo boo. Grab your girl, I'll grab the homies. We gon' run the train, choo choo. She a dog like Blue's Clues. Peace out with a deuce deuce. Flamethrower, I'm bulletproof. Put the shit down, you don't want to shoot. Little man, better be easy. Hair slick, G-Eazy. First lick, be Weezy. Moonwalk with a yee.
I've been gone way too long. Now I'm back.
Oh, now I'm back.
Now I'm back.
I'm on the way.
I'm gonna wave up. I'm gonna wave. I'm gonna wave up.
I'm on the way.
I'm gonna wave up.
I'm on the way.
Join the wave, peeps. Holler at your boy. Email me. Let's go, champs. Have a great Friday. You want to join the wave? I know you want to join the wave. Wave up. Been gone way too long. Now I'm back. Now I'm back. Now I'm back.